right, guys. So, what you're looking at here is a specific creating learning design. And these learning designs are the templates. Okay. So, this is like your lesson plan. And the way that I use this template is just like a lesson plan, except for it's supposed to help me a little more. In terms of alignment, so that I can better see things. So, the explanation of the design right here is more or less just for me to be able to explain a little bit, maybe to my administration or my master teacher, anyone who's viewing these sort of plans, to better understand what the purpose is of this specific unit of instruction, module of instruction, whatever you want to call it. This second piece right here are all of the standards that I am using. So you can see that there's actually three sections for standards. I not only use my content standards for Common Core, but then I also like to use college and career readiness standards, which also easily align to my content Common Core standards, but they are a different type of standard that ELA uses at times. So I wanted to have two similar sets of content standards and skills. And then finally, I have my ISTE standards, which are my technology standards. I specifically only put the big one, I guess you could say. So there's several smaller standards or substandards that go under this. I just chose creative communicator for now. Then I gave an overall objective. A lot of times you will actually see a big objective and then several sub objectives, which align with each of the activities that I have. For now, because this is actually the authentic assessment, the very last module within the unit, there's only one objective. And then, of course, end of module task and assessment. This is just to keep me aligned with my end goal. So it reminds me that my objective should somehow scaffold to mastery of the end of unit assessment. And then the rubric should actually be right here, but I have it down here. So, but here is where I would put the rubric for the assessment, which helps me better understand my alignment and double check it. And then I have an area for materials, resources. Basically, this is where I'm going to put all of my hyperlinks. And then this is one place where I can go whenever I'm trying to create videos or presentations or anything. I have like a resource bank to go directly to for links. Then I have my scaffolded activities. Again, this goes back to being able to check with my objectives, making sure that it aligns with some sort of leading to mastery at the end of the module assessment as well. And then I decided that I wanted to have a little area where I would know how I would summarize or pitch this module of instruction to the students. So, just like this explanation up here for my superiors and those monitoring, this is more of my explanation to the students in opening up the module. So this is just how I designed my templates, and this is just a way in which you can design your templates, or this is just something that you can come back to and use later. I also plan on using this sort of template whenever I am presenting my units of instruction for my coworkers that will be teaching this content as well.